Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix nowbar not showing on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to lock screen and AOD. Now just tap on nowbar. From here, just enable all these toggles. Then tap on view more and enable all these toggles from here. Now just go to your lock screen and check if the nowbar is showing or not. Now if the nowbar is still not showing on your lock screen, just go back. Then go to notifications. From here, tap on lock screen notifications and enable this toggle. And also from here, just select show content. Now once you do that, just go back to the lock screen of your smartphone and check if the nowbar is showing or not. And this is how you can fix nowbar not showing on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.